Today we're doing problems with variables on both sides. Bye.
SW212. Let's do the math. That's my new intro, by the way. I was kind of excited about it. All right. Let's combine like terms on this right side before we start moving things around. So I'm going to rewrite the 8x. Need to combine this 5 and this negative 2x together. That'll get me 3x. And I'll rewrite the plus 35. Okay, now that I have everything simplified down on each side, I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Okay, that'll leave me with 35 on the right and 5x on the left. And we'll divide both sides by 5. X equals 7. So if you can get rid of one of the variables on one of the sides and just get variables on one side and numbers on the other, you'll be able to get this figured out. Over and out.